This is question 2, part E and F, and this time, for some reason, we need to have this banner on the bridge that's going to take up this shaded region. And I've got the starting diagram for question 2 here for reference. So the first thing it wants us to do is to find the x values here and here correct to 2 decimal places. Well, we've already defined f of x and y of x, so we need to solve for when f of x equals y of x. And we can do that with our CAS calculator. Let's solve for when f of x equals y of x. And we want that to 2 decimal places. There we are. Well, we can ignore that value. That's far too negative. It's outside our domain. And let's see, we've got 3 values. The ones that actually make sense are these two, because these 2 values are within our domain. So let's write them carefully to 2 decimal places, watching out for this one here. So that means x equals negative 23.71 or x equals 28.00. So this one's for E and this one's for F. Right, so we've got E and F, and it wants us to find the area of this banner to the nearest square meter. And we said that that's f of x and that's y of x. See, this is where it becomes handy if you've got functions defined on your CAS, because it saves you retyping things a lot. The area is given by the integral from this point to this point, 28.00, of the top function minus the bottom function. Now, this style of question occurred a lot in this extended response. You have to do it twice, finding the area between regions. So you'd be stuffed if you didn't know it. It's the top curve minus the bottom curve. And you can punch that right into your CAS to find that integral. So we're going to press Shift plus. We're going from negative 23.7068 up to 27.9963. That'll be enough places. It's to the nearest square meter. And we want f of x minus y of x. And let's find that area. There we are, 869.619. To the nearest square meter is 870 meters squared. That's how we find the area of this banner region.